Somewhere in the storm, a forgotten life waited quietly. She didn't understand why she was left, only that no one came back. He was not searching for anything, but something found him. Two broken souls, seeing each other for the first times. He gave her shelter, and she gave him a reason to keep going. It wasn't much, but it was home. He had little to give, but gave her all he had. For the first time in forever, neither of them slept alone. A new day, shared with someone worth waking up for. Seasons changed, but love remained. He had lost the past, but found comfort in the present. In saving her, he had unknowingly saved himself.